Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn the basic things we need to know about Arduino. So let's get started. At the very first, I want to introduce, there are several types of boards available in the market. And basically, when we get started with Arduino, we start with Arduino. This is the most popular board and it's also cheap. Let me show you from their official website. What are the different boats they are currently selling on the market? If you go to the original.cc website in the hardware section, they have mentioned the boats and models. They have tech glitter in the marketplace. Like they have mentioned here, they have released over 100 hardware products including bolt shields, carriers, keys, and other accessories. So here are some a picture of the Nano family. Store base where they have different boards Arduino and Nano series. The latest one is Arduino and Nano 33i, so it enables IoT communication. They have other boards also. Then they have MKR series, where they have Wi-Fi enabled. Microcontroller and sub-basing microcontrollers also like Arduino MKR0. They have circulated some shields. The classic family includes Arduino ARF, full version Archie version, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Marco, Arduino Zero, and so on. The I don't know. UNO R3 is the most popular one and it's always available in the stores. You can try your product with this one. Then comes to our Omega family. So if you have any project that needs a lot of ins for digital inputs, digital outputs or analog input outputs, then this is the boats you should be looking for, like I don't know. Mega to 560, this is the popular one for bigger project. So here, you can get an idea of what the boats they're working on currently, and what is the trend in the market. So let's go back to the slide. Now we'll have some idea of our no. What are the different beings of our no, and what are the functionalities of this panes? So the first one, let's see when we take this board in hand. There's a USB socket at the top of the board. So this socket is used for powering the Arduino, as well as connecting the Arduino boats with your desktop or laptop. This also enables uploading program to the boards and communication. Real-time communication of the hardenables with your PC. So this is the USB socket. We have power deck here. You can use an adapter for powering the board. And this power deck can handle 11 to 12 volts. Then we have reset pin. So this reset pin is used for resetting any program when it is live. Here we have some pins associated with powering, like we have P in. Here's the V in pin, so it's basically for powering the Arduino board using this female pin. So here you can input 7 to 12 volts. Then it has 5 volt output pin and 3.3 volt output pin. These are regulated output pins. From here you can power up your external circuits. Then we have ground pins. Here we have 2 ground pins. And on the right hand side in the top portion of the rail, we have another ground pin. So in the external circuit you may need multiple ground pins. You can connect them in any of this if you need them. Then we have this right side rail 0 to 13 pins. And this all are digital pins. So this could be used for digital input or digital output. Then we have some pins from the digital pins like 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. These pins, they have some sinusoidal sign in front of them. This means or indicates PWM. So these pins are used for PWM pins. They can provide analog output using these pins. Then we have 80 to 85DS are analog input pins. They can also be used for digital input. Then we have 80 Mega 32. 8B UMCO chip. So this is basically a microcontroller chip from that mill family. And the model is 80 Mega 28B. Then we have ICSP header. So these pins are basically used for serial programming in the Autonovatore using serial programmer. Then we have another pin here. Here if that is used for external reference for Halloween poops. We have a crystal oscillator here. That is a 16 meters crystal oscillator. Other than this we have regulated power. See here 7 or 05 we have them. Some LEDs, onboard LEDs, like here we have a power LED. When the board gets powered, this LED lit up. Then we have TXRS beans connected with these LEDs. So TX is for signal transmission and RX is for signal reception. Whenever there is activity with DX and RX, this LED blinks. Then we have another LED, this LED. This is connected with a 13 number pin. So if you want to do board testing, you can use this LED for a digital output with 13 pin. So these are the components that are related with this Arduino. I think you have a basic idea about the board and the pins. And the pins layout, so I will talk more on this boards, how they works. How to program them in the upcoming videos in this tutorial series. So thank you for now, see you in the next video.